Hello friends, welcome to Quant Question of the Day. We have taken this question from CAT 2018. It says, two types of tea A and B are mixed and then sold at rupees 40 per kg. The profit is 10% if A and B are mixed in the ratio 3 is to 2 and 5% if this ratio is 2 is to 3. The cost prices per kg of A and B are in the ratio. We can easily solve this question using concept of alligation. Let cost price of type A be small a and cost price of type B be small b. If selling price is 40 per kg and profit is 10%, cost price will be 40 divided by 1 plus 10 by 100, that is 40 by 1.1. Similarly, for profit of 5%, cost price will be 40 divided by 1 plus 5 by 100, which is equal to 40 divided by 1.05. We will be needing these two values when we will be making alligations. In first case, price of A is small a and price of B is small b. Ratio is 3 is to 2. So 3, 2. Cost price of mixture will be 40 divided by 1.1. So this is the alligation that we need. Now this implies A multiplied by 3 plus B multiplied by 2 divided by addition of 3 and 2. So I can write 3A plus 2B divided by 3 plus 2 is equal to 40 by 1.1. Similarly, if we make alligation for the second case, A, B, price of A is small a and price of B is small b. Ratio is 2 is to 3, so this is 2, this is 3. And cost price of mixture will be 40 by 1.05. So this is the alligation that we need. This implies A multiplied by 2 plus B multiplied by 3 divided by 2 plus 3 is equal to this value. So I can write 2A plus 3B divided by 2 plus 3 is equal to 40 by 1.05. So this is my first equation and this is my second equation. Dividing equation 1 by equation 2. 3A plus 2B divided by 5 upon 2A plus 3B divided by 5 is equal to 40 by 1.1 divided by 40 by 1.05. Now we can cancel out certain things. ये 5 से 5 cancel, 40 40 cancel. This gives me 3A plus 2B divided by 2A plus 3B is equal to 1.05 by 1.10, which is 105 by 110. So this gives me 3A plus 2B divided by 2A plus 3B is equal to 21 by 22. By cross multiplying, we can have 22 multiplied by 3A, 66A plus 44B is equal to 21 multiplied by 2A plus 3B. So this is 42A plus 63B. This finally gives me 66A minus 42A is equal to 63B minus 44B, which gives me 24A is equal to 19b. Therefore, A by B will be 19 by 24. Small a is cost price of A, as we have assumed, and small b is cost price of B, as we have assumed. So ratio of two cost prices A and B will be 19:24. Hence answer to this question should be option number B. Thank you.